Hello everyone, I have another package from Banggood and this is gonna be what is written on the box. So it is a vacuum cleaner and it is made by Xiaomi. I don't know if any Xiaomi branding is on the box or actually any Xiaomi branding on the product, but this is based on the website. It's a Xiaomi sub brand or something like that. I'm trying to cut the box open without actually damaging anything that is inside. So let's see what is inside the box. So this is what you see when you open this box, and there is a little more serious looking manual or paperwork than in most of the Chinese products. So this is one of the first thing. Here is another paper, the warranty card, and let's see. So first there is a little brush kind of things. I don't know exactly how it's gonna came together or how it's gonna work. Okay, I'm just gonna put it aside and see the other things. So here is a tube or whatever, so I guess you know where it goes. Sorry guys, so my table doesn't have enough space for unboxing such a big package. I mean, it's not that really big, but bigger than the space on my desk. So here is this part. Sorry guys, I don't have the vocabulary for vacuum cleaners, so this is this brush kind of things what goes on the floor. It has a little wheel, four little wheel, and a little brush kind of things here, and this is like a rubber thing here. And actually I'm just hoping that things are in frame and you can see what is in the box. So here is a Type-C cable, because this vacuum cleaner can be charged via Type-C charge cable, what is a great thing. And it is not just this short Type-C cable, but it's quite long, and probably it is the longest Type-C cable what I've ever seen. So I don't know exactly how long, but it's longer than usual, and definitely longer than those 20 centimeter cables. So there is a little thing what you can install to the wall or somewhere else. There is a little glue on the back, so you have to remove this paper and you can glue it to anywhere just to keep the vacuum cleaner in nice and organized. So here is the paperwork for that. And so underneath, this is what you see. Let's try to take it out, because this is the main part of the vacuum cleaner. Actually, this is, oops, I almost dropped it. This is the vacuum cleaner. What I will still have to figure out how it works. So I don't know if you can read that sticker. I try to hold it closer. I have no idea if it's in a frame or not, but you can read it there. Some tips. Um, let's see, and that's it, nothing more in the box. So here it is, this little vacuum cleaner. So this is gonna come here, but actually it's seems like it's it doesn't went together all the way, so I don't know if I should force it more, or is this how much it can go together. And actually now it doesn't wanna. Okay, it's just stuck there, or maybe I put it on the wrong way. I hope not, but that might be the case. But no, it is the only way how I can put it together. So yes, so I will try to figure out how. Okay, so this way you can take it apart, and here is the container for all the dust, what it collects, I think. Yes, because you can see inside this little thing where it came out from the tube, all the dust. Sorry guys, probably I didn't show it to the camera, but to the light actually. And here is this little filter, or whatever it's called, but I believe it can be removed from here. But let me just check out the paperwork. So yes, like they even explain how to clean it here. Yes, okay, so that's it. And so here is this little filter inside this one, what can be washed. Sorry guys, I really don't have the vocabulary for this kind of things. It's far from my main interest. So okay, so here is the Type-C port, so that's where you have to plug it to charge it. And it looks like a button here, but I don't know if it's really a button or they just have a screw there, and that's what they cover there. So here is the okay, so it has a battery in it, what is like a nice surprise. Now I just have to try to put it back together. It's not exactly how it was, I think, but let's see how it works. So it works. It looks like it works. So let me just put all these together, and I'm gonna try it on the floor how it works, and also if it's long enough, because as I'm sitting here it doesn't seem too long, but we will see. So what I just said, that it doesn't seem long enough, forget it, it's long enough. For me at least. I'm 128 centimeters, so it's 5'10", and it seems, I mean, it's perfectly long enough for me. I prepared a little paper here apart from the normal dust what I have on the floor, and I'm gonna try if it is able to collect these things, just to demonstrate how it works, or if it works. So let's try it. And also just using it a little bit on the carpet, because, well, it can use some cleaning for sure. And I still can hear that sometimes some dust is coming inside this vacuum cleaner. So it's definitely working, and it's not even on the highest level. So let's. So I'm just gonna try to show what it collected so far. Oops. Okay, so it looks like you have to be careful when you open it, because you might just like lose everything what it's collected so far. So probably it's not the best solution, because as you can see, I mean, I hope you can see that there is dust in it. I'm gonna try to see if it's visible. So yes, but also many things was sticked here on this one, so you have to be careful and don't open it on the place where what you cleaned. It looks like it's probably not the best solution from Xiaomi, but it looks like it's work and looks like it's doing a good job, and it's definitely easier than just carry around this old school vacuum cleaner with the wire. So I hope it's gonna work well. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's not the thing what I'm gonna use the most, but I'm gonna use it, and hopefully it's gonna motivate me to clean my room more often than what I did before. And to hold it in your hand, it feels comfortable, so it seems alright so far. And yeah, I guess it's gonna be more comfortable to clean with it than with other things, and yeah, I'm happy with it so far, apart from this part that when you open it, you just easily lose all the things what you collected. And so probably it's better not to open inside, but only near to the trash can. So thank you guys for watching. God bless.